Have you ever wondered how pro drivers can learn to go quicker from data like this? Let's break it down. Part 4, Apex and Exit Speed. Now that we've learned about braking, throttle and racing lines, we can look into the apex and exit speeds. Professionals have other data to work from, whereas as a sim racer, you can simply go to tracktitan.io on your computer or get the TrackTitan app on your phone, record some laps and then compare your data to other drivers around the world. Looking at this telemetry from Paddock Hill Bend on ACC, we can see that the blue driver's minimum speed at 152 km an hour at the apex, whereas the orange driver's is 138. Hitting the minimum speed before the apex delays getting back on the throttle, meaning that when we look at the exit speed, the blue driver is 5 km per hour faster than the orange driver. We can safely assume that the orange driver is on the brake pedal too soon, which means more time spent at minimum speed. By putting all the telemetry we've looked at together from throttle, brakes, lines and speeds, we can now fully see how the blue driver is able to gain up to 0.6 of a second in this one corner alone.